Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. So last night I was sitting and thinking about my next YouTube video and I wanted to do something really helpful. So I went through all the DMs of my last 3-4 YouTube videos, and the topics which are commonly and highly requested from you guys are 1. No makeup look, 2. A makeup routine for teenagers. So I came up with the idea of combining both the topics. So I'm going to show you all today a simple, fresh, everyday makeup look using all my favorites drugstore / affordable makeup products. And also this makeup routine is especially for teenagers because it's going to be realistic, minimal and super duper quick. I swear it just takes me 10 minutes to do this makeup routine. Oh, also this makeup routine is really good for someone who goes to work or someone who likes to keep minimal yet presentable. I hope you're getting my point. Okay, so that's it for my chapar part, and now I'm going to show you all how to transform from this to this. So honestly guys, this is the routine which I used to do when I was in college. So मैं क्या करती थी, मेकअप करने से पहले मैं अपने बाल comb कर देती थी, like detangling, like this. It's a great hair color, please pay attention. So what I used to do is, I used to detangle my hair like this. Now I'm just going to take this part, one rubber band. I don't know मुझे समझाना आएगा या नहीं, but what I used to do is, I just used to twist it like this. Wow, आज ही मैंने बाल धोए, बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Like this, and then again twist it like this. Tight. Same thing over this side. So I like to do this before I do my makeup because जब मैं अपने बाल खोलती हूँ, it looks so voluminous, so curly, so nice. I learned this trick from Angel Candice from Victoria's Secret, from her Vogue's video, something like that. But it definitely works. ये मैं अपने कॉलेज के टाइम करती थी क्योंकि शॉर्ट टाइम में आपके बाल बहुत ही अच्छे, आउट ऑफ वर्ड्स, अच्छी शेप ले लेता है. So first things first we are going to do some skincare, and for that first I'm going to moisturize my skin and then followed by sunscreen. Now students, I know you guys are here for makeup, but trust me, skincare greater than sign makeup, and especially moisturizing your skin is really important. मैंने last to last video moisturizer पे बनाया है, my top 5 favorite moisturizers. So if you want to check it out, go check it out. But moisturizing is important because it makes your skin healthy, glowy, hydrated. According to your skin type, choose your moisturizer, and then followed by a sunscreen. And again, sunscreen is really important, and especially if you're going college or your workplace, it's really important. And even if you're not going out, just sitting at home, it's important. Oops, I dropped it. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Pond's Light Moisturizer for soft and glowing skin, vitamin E plus glycerin. Guys, vitamin E and glycerin is really good for your skin. It's really hydrating. Plus, it also has niacinamide. So this product is really good and it's super affordable. So that's why I really like this moisturizer. Before applying any product, I just quickly go and wash my hands. Okay, your girl is back and I'm going to use the Pond's moisturizer. Screenshot this and send me on DMs. 1, 2, 3. बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम पास करती हूँ मैं. आज मैंने शेव किया अपना फेस, so my skin feels so soft. If you want to see how I shave my face, here is the link. ऐसा लग रहा है आज मैं सारे पहले की वीडियो से बता रही हूँ. And the next is sunscreen. Now I know this product is not affordable, और मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्ट में बोला था कि मैं सारे affordable products यूज़ करूँगी, but मेरे साथ सिर्फ सनस्क्रीन में ऐसा है, मैं सनस्क्रीन चेंज नहीं करती, मैं सिर्फ एक ही यूज़ करती फॉर सम रीज़न. सो मैंने आज तक कोई दूसरे सनस्क्रीन यूज़ ही नहीं की है, बस यही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आई थिंक 2-3 साल से सिर्फ यही प्रोडक्ट है, बाकी सारे अफोर्डेबल है. सो आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. Also guys, you can congratulate me because we just got verified on our YouTube channel. So I am so happy. Verification से ना एक वैलिडेशन मिल जाता है और ऐसा लगता है कि जो कर रहे हैं अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत ही खुशी मिलती है इसके लिए. Thank you so much. Okay, so skincare is done and now for my makeup, first I'm going to do my base, and for that I'm going to use my Lakme 925 CC cream and I'm in the shade beige. This is my first makeup product क्योंकि तब मैं फाउंडेशन वगैरह मुझे पसंद ही नहीं था. मुझे लगता था कि सिर्फ शादी में लगाते हैं, ओकेशंस में लगाते हैं, और मेरे घर पे भी कोई मेकअप नहीं करता, कभी भी नहीं, अभी भी नहीं करता. तो फाउंडेशन मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़ थी, तो वो तो मैं कभी नहीं करती थी. तो ये मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया था. ये मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे बोला था कि ट्राई करके देख, अच्छा लगता है, स्किन बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बहुत ग्लो करता है. सो ट्राई इट इफ यू लाइक इट. सो आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस वन एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज सो एप्ट फॉर कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स बिकॉज इट्स सो लाइट वेटेड and it makes your skin look so bomb, so glowy, and it's like your skin but a better version. And I really miss using this. आज मैं शायद बहुत टाइम बाद यूज़ करूँगी. I'm excited. Also I love this product. This is the L'Oreal Magic BB Cream. और for some reason ये discontinue कर दिया गया है because मैंने लिया था इसको. जब लिया था उसके एक वीक बाद ही जहाँ से मैंने लिया था वो बोले डिसकंटिन्यू कर दिया है. पता नहीं क्यों, लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट था. प्लीज़ ब्रिंग इट बैक. L'Oreal, if you are from L'Oreal and you are watching my video, please bring this back. And also this step is optional if you have even skin tone and if you don't want to apply anything on your base, you can just skip this part and move on to concealer. Anyways, for today's video we are going to use this one. I miss using this product. मैं शायद इसे बहुत टाइम बाद यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Wow! And now to blend this out, I'm just going to use my fingers because I don't know why. I just really like to use my fingers to blend CC cream, BB cream. But if you're a beginner and you don't want to use your hands, you can just use this one. This brush is from PAC और इसमें नाम नहीं लिखा है, but आपको Google में मिल जाएगा. Just type PAC foundation brush and you will get it. So our base is done, and now to just hide my dark circles and the redness over here, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. This concealer is so good. Texture is amazing. It's so easy to blend, plus it gives you that amazing coverage, like full coverage, and also the price point is amazing. I think it's under 500, so I think it's really bomb. So concealer is something which is really important even in a no makeup look. It just hides your dark circles, redness or dark spots, pimples. So you can't skip concealer if you are doing little makeup. You can definitely skip CC cream, BB cream, but you cannot skip concealer because it just makes you presentable and neat. Now next I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade 15 Light. Now again, this step is not optional because if you are going to apply concealer, you have to use a loose powder or compact or finishing powder because concealer बहुत ही क्रीमी होता है और बहुत थिक होता है. तो अगर आप उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दोगे तो वो बहुत इरिटेट करेगा बाद में. सो यू हैव टू सेट योर कंसीलर यूजिंग ए पाउडर और कॉम्पैक्ट और एनीथिंग, बट यू हैव टू यूज इट. Also look at this. If you don't apply loose powder, it looks like this. The concealer looks like this. It starts creasing out, so you have to apply loose powder. For my eye look, first I'm going to brush my eyebrows because it makes you look so presentable and so neat, trust me. Now it's time to do my eyes, and I know बहुत सारे लोग आई शेडो प्रेफर नहीं करते डेली बेसिस पे, और totally your choice, totally your take, but today I'm going to use this palette. This is from Nykaa and the palette name is Beachside Peach. I'm holding my brush like this. So look at this. It's super easy and it's really less time consuming. So you can go for this according to your mood. क्योंकि कभी बार ऐसा होता है ना, किसी दिन ऐसा मन करता है थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा मेकअप करे बट फिर भी नो मेकअप रखे. So on those days you can add this step. So the eyeshadow is done. Now next I'm going to apply a really thin liner. This is my trick. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर thin liner लगाते हैं ना तो आपके lashes बहुत ही ज़्यादा voluminous लगते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty लगते हैं. So I'm going to apply a really thin liner. Now the next step is the most important thing in your no makeup look, which is a mascara. Mascara is a total game changer in your makeup look, full stop. So I'm going to use the Maybelline New York the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I recently got my hands on this one and it gives you that amazing volume. The only problem with this one is कि ये बहुत ही मुश्किल से निकलता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल से, तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम है, पर ठीक है,
सह लेंगे थोड़ा सा.
For my blush, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild blush. According to me, blushes are so underrated because people just think it's optional. But according to me, highlighter is optional, but not blushes. Blushes makes your skin look so healthy and it adds some color to your skin. So I really love to use blush. For me, mascara and blushes are total game changers. So अगर आप blushes use नहीं करते अपने no makeup look में, you're doing it wrong. And now for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Now honestly, I'm not a big fan of highlighters. I like glowy base, but I don't prefer highlighter on daily basis. I just prefer blushes and tints on daily basis. But I know people are crazy about highlighters, so for that today I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter. And this is such a gorgeous drugstore highlighter. मुझे ये और Becca का highlighter मेरे current favorite है, so I'm going to show you. For my lipstick, I'm going to use the Rimmel London lipstick and this is in the shade 720 Snatched. So my makeup is done and now it's time to open my hair. Ooh, wow! Look at this, guys. My hair looks so voluminous and so amazing. So that's it for today's video and thank you Sun for coming out on time because lighting is so good right now. मैं थोड़े photos लूँगी इसके बाद. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you did enjoy it, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also like, share और क्या होता है comment कर दो. And I will see you next Friday. Bye.